Hey, what's up, boys? It's your boy Mohan coming up with another unboxing. I got it from Myntra, as you see. Inside this, there is a jeans from the brand called American Eagle. So let's unbox it and we'll discuss about the quality, fitting, and how it looks. Here we go. This is a great jeans from American Eagle. You can see the branding. This is a size of 30-30. That means 30 waist and 30 length. They are mentioning it as Airflex Slim Straight. So this is the back side view. You can see. This is the front. This is the Myntra seal. Here, this is the description. You can read it. I want to see country of origin. You can see that made in Vietnam. They are mentioned, so that means this is imported. As far as the quality, it looks good. And check this out, guys. This is double-sided stitching. You can see this kind of stitching from premium jeans only. Luckily, this jeans got this type of stitching. So what can I say? American Eagle is a very big brand when it comes to clothes. You already knew. So I'm gonna wear this and I will tell my review later. This is the kind of fitting. They are mentioning it as a skinny fit, but it is actually slim straight. So you can see, but it is a pretty comfortable. And for the quality and the comfort, for everything, I like this. I like these jeans. Thinking I could keep these jeans. This is also stretchable. Look at this.